Hi everybody, this is Jared with Sonoran Desert Institute. Today we are going to go through the field strip on an AR-15. Now with any firearm, before you get started on anything that you do, got to make sure it's clear. So we're going to remove the source of ammunition, we're going to pull the bolt to the rear, we're going to visibly inspect both the mag well and the chamber, and we're going to make sure that that gun is clear. It is clear. I'm going to go ahead and place it on safe now that it's cocked. And I am going to drop the bolt because we'll need that forward to be able to disassemble this or field strip this gun. So next step here is we're going to rotate this over. We're going to push out the takedown pin. These should be movable by hand, although with some new guns they'll be a little stiff, and so you can use a punch to push that pin on through. Okay, now that we've got the bolt and the charging handle out, I'm going to go ahead and get the front pivot pin out. I like to take these out first so they can't be jostled and knocked in or dropped on the floor. Some of these pivot pins are pretty tight. So I'm going to use a punch here to kind of push. And once we have that pivot pin out, we can take the two pieces apart. Now, with your upper receiver, this is as far as you're going to go on the takedown. You can do one more thing with your lower receiver. You can go ahead, and the buffer retainer here is holding the buffer in. The easiest way to do this is with your thumb. Push down on the retainer, let the buffer slide past, and pull the buffer and spring out. So now that's a field strip for the major pieces. The other thing that we can do is we can go ahead and field strip the bolt. Now in many cases the split pin here for the bolt is a little difficult to get to with your fingers. And so using a small punch or a screwdriver, we can just pull that out. What that's going to do is it's going to release your firing pin. So you can pull your firing pin out and set it aside. And then the next part that can come out is your pivot pin. You've got to rotate that cam pin 90 degrees. Pull that cam pin out past your carrier key. And then our bolt will come out the front. So if you've liked this video on the field strip of an AR-15, hit the subscribe button down below and look for other videos as they come out to you.